we were inspired by people to move downtown. It wasn't like we weren't the first people to move downtown, and we're not the first people to invest in downtown, but we really want to get everybody in, like, because we want to help build wealth with lots of people. And so it's not about us buying all the buildings and us fixing all the buildings. It's about, like, I always said too, like, I knew downtown would be sort of the ball is rolling when I can't keep up with all the stuff that's happening. And now people go like, hey, what's happening on Saturday? I'm like, I don't even know what's happening on Saturday. And so many buildings are being remodeled now and bought. And Hurricane Michael helped. So if you look at a blighted area, stagnant area, an area of ownership that people own buildings for 40 years, they don't want to fix them up. Hurricane Michael forced decisions. Like, oh, I don't want to rebuild this building, I'll sell it. So it forced 10 years of decisions over the course of 6 months. It sped them up. So it actually helped us. And so you had people had roofs ripped off. They were getting a bunch of money from insurance, and they would sell their building cheap enough where you could actually put enough money into it to fix it the way it should be. So it was a good thing. But entrepreneurs are also good at really turning every bad situation into a good situation.